She did one. She sucks.
I'm jealous. I can't do it.
Practicing. That's it.
How does she know my name?
Gotta warm up. Okay, let's make into it.
She's like jumping in the air.
I don't know if I can do it laughing.
Yeah. Go now.
Come on.
Wait, hold on. There's a butterfly going through that way. Never mind. You can go. That almost went on your head. Now, there's something in your hair. Other side.
Dude, it's fine. There's nothing there.
Is it bobby pin?
No, it's fine now.
Ah!
You can do your little standing tuck thing now.
Was I close?
Yeah.
No.
Was I?
No.
Hell no. Just do another one.
Oh, it hurt.
Baby, bye, bye, bye.
Bye bye. We can put music to this. It'd be pretty BA. Ooh, that's pretty sweet.
Oh, Madison.
I thought you could do it without like running or something.
Without running?
Yeah.
I can do a back handspring without running.
Okay, we'll do it. Show us your little trick, Sid.
I'm going to sit down.
Dude, as soon as Sid gets this done, we're going back in.
I know, but I have a short attention span. I can't.
We know. Woo.
Have I ever told you
How's
about
that?
you suck?
Someone's
Better than
BA.
you.
Someone's BA.
I am BA.
Sending email. Go.
Did I hit you with the rock?
I didn't touch mine.
Okay, Madison, do your roll.
My roll?
Yeah, you roll.
Okay. I said you got prep for this.
See, my roll's better than that.
Oh, I can do it better. I have to squat.
I'll try a.
Put the rock down.
Try a. What's it called? Where you push up into a handstand. That'd be a little more impressive.
Push up and. All right, go for it.
I don't know if I can do it.
Just go, Sid. Go throw rocks.
I was scared.
No, I can't do it.
Ew, your butt's all hairy.
Oh yeah.